This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and pull away the rubber weather strip. Carefully pull the side trim panel away. Reach up and unscrew the plastic wing nut securing the light cluster to the body. Undo the 2 Torx screws and pull the light cluster rearwards to release the locating pins. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Squeeze together the clips and pull the bulb holder assembly from the cluster. To remove a bayonet pin bulb, press it in slightly and twist it anti-clockwise. Align the pins with the slots in the bulb holder, then press the bulb in and twist it clockwise to secure it. Note that on most bayonet bulbs the pins are offset and will only fit correctly in one position. The capless bulbs simply pull from place. Press the new capless bulb into the bulb holder contacts. Insert the bulb holder assembly into the cluster until the clips engage. Reconnect the wiring plug. Align the locating pins with the holes in the body and press the light cluster firmly into place. Refit the retaining screws and tighten them securely. Refit the plastic wing nut and tighten it securely. Manoeuvre the side trim panel back into position and press the rubber weather strip into place.